Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Lesson with Esha. Before starting the video, if you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Let's start the video. Grandmother, grandfather, they are grandparents. Mother, father, they are parents. Son, daughter, baby. Uncle, aunt, cousins. Brother and sisters, also called siblings. Father, mother, and their children and their grandparents, they are happy family. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay connected with us for more videos. Thank you.